Good morning, third standard. How are you all? Last week, I sent you a quiz about the solar system. Okay, did you get any of them correct? Let's see. Let's see if we know our solar system. Okay, so this is the sun. Okay, and there are 8 planets that move around the sun. Okay, can you see these? That is their track. Okay, so they move around on those tracks. The nearest one is Mercury. Then you have Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Uh, there was another planet called Pluto, which they did consider as a planet, but now it's considered a dwarf planet. Dwarf planet, കുള്ളന്മാരെ വരെ ചെറുത്ത് size. It's called a dwarf planet. There are 4 other known dwarf planets. Okay, the sun is in the middle, and the planets move around in an orbit. An orbit is a track. Okay, in a special track that they go. അല്ലാണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ലൈൻസ് ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കണ്ട, അതല്ല. It's just that they move on that. They keep revolving around the sun. But at the end of the page, you have words like meanings, which I will give it to you separately. So travel around an object in space. They travel around the object in space. That's orbit. Earth takes 12 months. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് 1 year, 12 months. Okay, season, one full year ന്റെ effect ആണ് ഇവിടുന്ന് തിരിച്ച് ചുറ്റി ഇവിടെ എത്താൻ. Okay. Earth has one moon, which is called lunar, and that takes less than 28 days to travel around the earth. Moon and the sheer earth in the ചുറ്റും പോവുക. Okay, and that takes less than 28 days. ഒരു month എന്നുള്ള കണക്കാണ്. It is like 14 days of new ഇങ്ങനെ moon grow ചെയ്യണതും 14 days of moon കമ്മിയായി വരണം. Okay, see, all these things are related. Now, let's just go back to the quiz. Okay. So how many planets are there in our solar system? We used to think there were 9, but then because Pluto was removed, now it is 8. Okay. Now, this is the order it is from the sun. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Is Pluto a planet? No, it's a dwarf planet. Sorry. So Pluto is considered a dwarf planet. Okay. So what orbits the sun? What goes around the sun? Is it the moon? No. Universe? No. It is the earth. Okay. What is another name for the moon? Luna. That's why we say lunar calendar. This moon has an effect on our mind. Okay. Our mind is stable അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ there is a word called lunatic. പ്രാന്ത് എന്നുള്ള അർത്ഥമാണ്, but that is because of the effect of the moon on the human body. Okay, so നമുക്ക് മൂണിന്റെ പവർ അനുസരിച്ച് നമ്മളുടെ മൂഡ്സ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യും എന്നാണ് പറയാം. Okay, how long does it take for the moon to orbit the earth? How long does it take the moon? Less than 28 days. All right, so I hope you understood the solar system, and I hope you got these correct. Now, Mercury is the nearest to the earth. So see how they've used nearest. But I think last week we were talking about comparatives. Comparatives mean രണ്ട് സാധനങ്ങൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് comparative. രണ്ടിനെക്കാട്ടിലും compare ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we use superlatives. Okay, so I will take it in the next class. I just thought I'll give you a small gist. Okay, so the nearest, most beautiful, driest, Okay, all right. Now let's go back to this. Yeah, Jupiter is 318 times bigger than Earth. Jupiter is 318 times bigger than Earth. Okay, so just imagine. Neptune is the fourth largest of the 8 planets. Neptune. New moons are discovered every year. Sorry about that. Yeah. So new moons are being discovered for other planets. Neptune has winds that travel 2000 kilometers per hour. Wow. Venus has poisonous yellow clouds, which is Venus, this one, yellowish color. Okay. This is Mars, the reddish planet, which is one of the driest. Mercury is the smallest. It is nearer to the sun. It doesn't have any moons. Okay. Earth is the only one that has life on it. And then it shows the light blue with white clouds. Do you remember seeing this? Sorry. You remember seeing this picture? And then we were saying it was taken from outer space. And so it's light blue with white clouds. Okay, so that's what they're talking about. Yeah. Mars, it has got 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. And Saturn is pale yellow and it has got rings around it. Can you see that? That is Saturn. Alright. And it has got 62 moons at least in the bare minimum. Alright. So poisonous means harmful, discover means find out new information, and support makes something positive. Okay, so this I will send it to you separately. Please write it down in your notebook. It's good to know the meanings. And I'll just send you the original track. Just listen to it and try to follow. All right. That's it for today, third standard. Just understand and be in awe. Awe പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു admiration. You are surprised. You are you know നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ സോളാർ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എത്ര കുറച്ച് അറിയണമെന്ന് only now we know. All right. Okay. So just listen to the soundtrack and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Jai Hind.
Track 8.
Jupiter is 318 times bigger than Earth. Neptune is the fourth largest of the 8 planets. New moons are discovered every year for Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Neptune has winds that travel at 2,000 kilometers per hour. Venus has poisonous yellow clouds. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and is the nearest planet to the Sun. It is grey and rocky. Mercury doesn't have any moons. Earth is small and rocky and is the only planet to support life. Satellite pictures show that it is light blue with white clouds. Earth has 1 moon. Mars is a red-orange colour. It is small, rocky and lifeless. It is also one of the driest planets. It has 2 small moons called Phobos and Deimos. Saturn is pale yellow. It's famous for its thousands of bright rings and is one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system. Saturn has 62 moons at least, more than any other planet.